I got $1 to do that.
Hey, Steve!
You're his friend? St. Peter?
Yeah. I call it citizen arrest of these kind of things. Babe, I don't have $1 on me.
That guy can't get arrested.
He's not, they're not even going to give him a bond, man. I agree with you at that point, but not saying that you don't have to support.
Wait a second. We have to stand up now. It's already gone too far. This has gone too far. What did he do wrong?
I couldn't see.
He didn't do anything wrong. I got it every bit of it.
And will really be a direct report. You'll have recordings of it. But we can't find what the police and beat up there over there.
I understand.
And that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm
At some point, I agree. We have to take a stand. This is happening everywhere. And going to court doesn't do anything. All it does is make this meeting that they're trying to have.
That's all we've got.
All we've got is our numbers.
That's scary.
That's where it's headed.
That's ancient priest.
I know, but that is where it's headed. If we keep that. Hey, let's all go to the park now anyway. Everybody, start the Waffle Horse. Waffle Horse! Waffle Horse back! Waffle Horse! I haven't heard anything. We're supposed to go to Waffle Horse Park. Take a look! It will be on your right! Is that for the Waffle Horse, right? Yes. The coordinators will do more of that. Walk on, Paul! Leave the ball! No. Right. Waffle Horse. Follow everybody. Waffle Horse Park.
Waffle Horse Park. Start saying. Over here.
Take it with you, go to Waffle Horse Park now. Waffle Horse Park. Follow everybody.
Waffle Horse Park! Waffle Horse Park! Waffle Horse Park!
We will reconvene.